Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Please subscribe. We want to teach on how to rename Facebook public group. Firstly, if you open your Facebook app, you click on these three dots, click on group. Then after clicking, you click on your group. Then you select the group you want to edit the name. Click on settings. Remember to like the video. Then you will see name. You click on name. Then you edit the name either by putting or renaming your current name you want to use. Then like I want to use YouTuber stuff, so this is the name I want to rename to my Facebook group. So after that, you click on done. Remember to like the video. Don't close yet, we want to teach you another thing. So let me just finish the typing. Also remember to tap on notification button. Okay, it is done. What else do I need to do? Let's go back there again, and you have to read before you go on. Let's just go back again. While we are waiting, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if the video is helpful to you. Okay, so if you want to change it to another name, okay, let me add it group. So that's it. Remember to like the video. God bless you.